Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with my birthday gift from the hubby, one of them. And he just went on my Amazon wish list. And these are called Ohuhu. And they are the skin tone markers. They come in this nice case. Zip. There. Let's see what this is. If you are coloring on a thin paper, please put this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleeding through. Oh, that's kind of cool. So, let's see what else is in here. I don't know how you say that. Yeah. I know they have the regular colors because those are also on my wish list. But at the moment, I can't see. Wow, the writing's so small. It gives you kind of the tips. Idea, reversible brush tip. Oh, that's cool. All right, let's swatch them. So there, let's count them too. Well, so I think this is a blender. Let me get my magnifying. Oh, guys. Yeah, colorless blender. Two sides. I get the paint tip, which I'm learning to use. I usually don't like that tip, but. And then a chisel tip. So that's blender. How many did you get? I think there's 24 if I remember right. If I remember right. 24. There's 24 of them. So this is called terracotta. And I'm just going to use nice. I'm just going to show color tones. I'm always using color tones. I have the Arteza ones, but half of them are used up, so. I came across these and I thought the price rate was right. It is nice. I'm liking them. Darker tone. I gotta get better at darker tone skin. I want to find some videos and get better at doing it, the skin tones. Like a pink. Maybe I should have used white. I just grabbed a piece of scrap paper here. But you can see them. They look nice. Let's check out the other end next time, though. Let's see. We'll do that. That's nice tip. I guess they call this a brush tip. I'm not fond of those, but coming to realize 90% of... Ooh, that's a dark color. Are usually that brush tip. Caps come off nice and easy. Like the bag stands up. It's a lot for skin tones. Excuse me. And the last one. variety. Oh, look at 24 marker color swatch. Ooh, I'll go do that too. I like how the bag is kind of stiff, so it sits up. So here I could have swatched it on this. I didn't notice that was in there. So you get the nice bag, 24 markers, a color swatch, the little pad, which I'll probably never use, and the little directions or information sheet. And they were, I'll let you know the price because they were on my wish list. $25.49 for 25 skin tone color alcohol markers by Ohana. O-H-U-H-U. Ohana, I want to say is how you say that. And that is part of my birthday present from the Hubs. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.